Hi, this is news. Mema Bawumia akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana with the Bremo and so we can subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. What do you say over click a year subscribe button now? What barely a year notification? We understand video for food here and new video be available. Also, as a beacon. I feel we are now on my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Like the video, nothing. Share my offer for so now when you be here now. Airport. I feel you're and some of it all your pencil. Now, I Kwame Aplus made a story of the two of to be money a fancy for kind. No, no, can say when you buy Ahmed Suale in Sammy. Now, when Aplus did it, it's now, someone will share your story of the trouble. Aplus in Cindy no IDP near the POMO, any Kenya former CID boss, also known in some about the plume. Now, Aplus actually detail or no, and not the way volunteer information on Ahmed Suale. I just a police for no AUB. Now, I hear your story. The better one thing, a fast assembly, Aplus, and the 2 day. Okay. I say, why I won't volunteer information on Ahmed Suale's death to police. Aplus explained. I say, social media commentator Kwame Agyarko has said that he will not volunteer any information on the death of Ahmed Suale to the Ghana Police Service. According to him, he has in the past volunteered information to the police for which he was betrayed. Now, Kwame Agyarko actually need to know in that deal with the information fire Ahmed Suale in the Ghana Police for. Now, what you say maybe a payment or the exposé Akoto and a police for the year in my. Now, to say he therefore will only volunteer information if he is provided with security. Not to say when you're buying a police for no and money buying body any what is something in a fire Ahmed Suale. Now, it also say I had a lead that the police had gone to kill some 5 people who they claimed were going to kill a chief in Gumuafete. That wasn't the case. It was one of the informants who lied to them. I had information and I went to a meeting with the IGP and Ken Ofori Atta, who was the CID boss. I was always attacking Ken because of this issue. After leaving the CID headquarters, the guy who misled the police to kill the 5 people called me and told me that he had been told that I was the informant, he said. Now, Aplus police will cook the sound information in my own net is a wrong info. And when you cook a sample for no, I know they haven't sent a command here, IGP. And I want a free meeting, not as or no IGP, and I can go on and now you see the boss. Now, I'm come across you, Nani Pana, or you can't throw me a cook in Sahanipa. 5 no afre Aplus catch and say wo na wo de me hu sent the ko no we nti na Aplus say ono enya dia wo ben volunteer information ya na Aplus de ensem ko na ra na atuga fa eye sase mu eye Ahmed Suale hu sensem yes emre no nti eye Aplus ono na mu asem say wo da eye sanse bu na nti ensema wo de atuga nti no.
Last Friday me a video and I spoke about Ahmed Suale. And I menya nkrofo bebre omo frɛ me Kwame Ahmed Suale asema wo kan no Kwame Ahmed Suale and the Ahmed Suale issue now you spoke about no. In fact my boys no frɛ me Charlie, we meet boys they talk see that one go fit give you problem here. Una can say some time na me year 8 class na you can't say you no be a word JSS and our classes so you know be you go show me what will give me problem and what no will give me problem. You understand what I talk? And I mean, and I be thinking, oh, then boys they talk, say, hey, don't talk my matter. Don't make a bore you. All of you should be coward. You people will be cowards. And if they follow you people, that be why Ghana, nobody go feel rise up and do the thing where they do for Kenya. Every day be talk, it be talk. If any Ghanaian like Oliver get up say you want to do something, it be the same Ghanaians that they bring them down. Don't come like come advise me and sa 7 no there you can hey I'm can't say me 2 years ago you were one year is it 2 years or 3 years e mu ba ko me specific because menkai obia obebi sam say adenti na wo information on Ahmed Suale na fan come police no ti asem na me ka che on ye tie ni ye me wo hwan na information say police fu ekoku nipa 5 ewo gomu afete area ho baby ebeye news oko awubegu ebe that social media crowd police shoot car nemu it was a big news munyina mu refi ebeye news say police fu ekoku nipa 5 ewo gomu afete time na news ne ba no news na ba out no Google say police ekun crofobia omukoku ohene bi ewo fete and the police ekun omo. Some people were going to attack the palace in Fete, and police, your friend, police got wind of it and went and your friend arrested some and in an exchange of fire. In the exchange of fire, some of them okay. Into nipa 5 ne wuye. Say cartoon ne chi omo chi sa tu no kogum. Afeti ne ye. Edi be 1 week. And I mean, every information on that matter. So immediately, we including the dead bodies, everything, voice note, eyewitness, everything I had. So I took that information and I sent it to IGP. And I told IGP that, have you seen this story? This story is not about Obi Kokun Obi Ayakoye Anas Obi Kwa Atake or Hene Anas Ayekokun Omu. This is murder. These people have been murdered. Obi Ebusuafo Nipa 5. Omwewu. Told IGP, the IGP, the information I have now, I suspect say it is either the police was misinformed and then they went and did this, or they know. What happened? IGP said, bra. Na ya Monday morning. Na me madam fubi. Ono so no police ni. Ono na sam na meka ne later. Me madam fubi. Na madam for no kra no onu na ma me lead to madam for no onu no ma me lead no say Charlie we receive information and we think that these people Obi family omwe wu say it madam for no ma me lead no na ye call IGP o ye call me IGP kan ye boa ye ni patre na ye meeting mutie die mutie asem na ye kan ye me IGP kan ye boa satan no CID boss. Some sometimes not can you even though or pull you out from police service. Let me get good so say this guy has, and every day I was attacking Kanyabwa. It is because of this matter. Former CID boss Kanyabwa no few answer sister for Sibano. Me IGP Kanyabwa any train your meeting. IG was going to receive briefing from the CID boss. I think he had already received briefing, but he was going to inform CID boss, say, our meeting was to inform CID boss that we have new information that you have to look into. Ye can't something me free CID headquarters. 10 minutes. Na akwana ye suspect say onuna a misleading police and answer or sha adine chime ye kun nipa 5 no. Afreme say Chairman, they say you go talk my matter for police headquarters. Say me way I make they kill the boys. So. But when say Kwame plus me name street no so. So before I went to police headquarters, me in Krema police in Bechiwo, I had called the guy to tell him that hey, if you day street, they snitch, they give false information to police, make they kill people. That thing they do. It will go against. Now me medical afraid Jaru be my boy. So me I hear the matter before I go IGP in there. Then I call Jaru and say, hey, the thing they do for street, we go lick you. We go lick you from the street. If you did there and you defeat set boys up, make police kill them. I say, Chairman, me I not do anything. So I say the thing you they do for street, boys will be happy with them. And Sameko CID headquarters. It's no me medical afraid Jaru. Me Gyamfi CID headquarters pair. And the Jaru friend me back say, Chairman, they say you go talk my matter for CID headquarters. You need to train your meeting. Me, IGP, and the Kanyabwa. And to call the buyer pair, na me suspect CID director, na me friend IG. I'm say, bra, you need to train your meeting. 10 minutes before you do office. Nipa na ye kana sem no, wa friend me. You people can protect witness. I judge your phone so none also. So Kwame, into your mind ye. Kwame, into a day we be. We have to find another way to start. And these same people, I can tell you on authority, the people that you put into this investigation, hey, because I know me. I I know the kind of things that we did. They will frustrate you. Me who so be kan dampare asama. Me try na adeba ko papa Akufo-Addo ayemo on my way. Aye Dr. Dampare. These people will frustrate you. And you see, they say, oh, if you can't do it, resign. Who will do it? We had to find different means. Na ma mencha wa dienti a emom kokun sa nipa 5 no. Omo kosi hene wo asaman kese. Ye kosi ohene wo asaman kese. Ye kosi ohene wo asaman kese no. E na sa boys na ye kun wo no. It be them way they prevent nkrofo no say enye wo na onsa ahensam no chieftaincy issues no. So they beat them ye omo bo omo ye papa. And they prevented them from omo besi ohene no. It is hard to see, they were still looking for ways to be able to enter Asama Kese. According to information, I know, almost another group, Ekatres, our boys 5 years, Kumu say, ye besi hene wo gumafete. Into Mumbebo Asafo. So I want to see your hina, your boss of Nadian. Mumbebo Asafo, a wahins, and his CNC. And no more pump action, say, once I almost see him almost to 2 near the PPP. It's a man among 2 no say, Munji 2 way, and no more better 2 at the Anase. And no more we are almost sign for police say, and Crophobia could fet on him. Ne Omutu Bukam, taxi the number near, when they say, into Munko apprehend omo, and a police phone call. Omu from who description no be 2 Bukanum, no Mukun for no. Mutini, may can't be see Ahmed Suale. I think I may. Say Ghana police, me person me more information. Be I just a mom police for 4. Omu mechi because my mom information, and my mom information. No, you didn't protect me. You betrayed. So don't nobody. And now GGA boss frame me, GGA president frame me. Jumfo minua Jumfo or frame me. Kwame, say you know, send adena you know. We have to make a public say, hey, my yaba me ko saving Crawford busuafo no be su kire me. Kwame plus. Unim say me asamba. I will be there for you. Busuafo no be su kire me krom hofo ye kun nipa, and we wanted to find justice for them. Police for no. Omo be intra me second. So me, masem na me say eye kan yebo na kan asem no. O say enyo no ye 3. Omo family de me ko CID headquarters ase ho e ko kire me car say car we na boys no hu police for no start to obo car ne mu sa da no me ba homicide ye be din komo bi wo homicide obia na wo homicide ho a ye din komo nyame hira ho police CID headquarters homicide omo mo ho nyina because of the conversation we had at homicide nyame hira mu nyina mo bedie mo ma bedie me busuafo bedie. Ye the police atade she wan chese di kwantro chese di boni asama am kan wo homicide ho no eno na finalize ade na me because there was no exchange of fire, there was nothing. Can you boy family me ko gina ase ho ko kire me car bi say we na nkofo no tutu obo mu hwe etu ya kan you boy me bia maka presby we ko ni mada ofie da me insura asem those days me bakwa wu na mabeda ofie what I say me beda ofie me na me ge but we are there meka me papa me nka sade achi no we obi abewu want me stopping me from doing what I want to do. Enti no say ene me nua adwumfo be frem no ka kire me say if you have any information you have to go. If you love the country, hey me dem me love me ho me dem me love me ho. So anybody who is there who can tell me that come and give us information, what bodama na answer what Jimmy an answer then you. When I volunteer to give information, they do protect me. So if you want me to give you information, you have to show clearly. If not, obi a person who be a problem. I don't care. You cannot. And I know. You see, me before I say something, see, my brain is switched on. Mr. Kofi Bento, first do share me or your book, not true, or signing by a signature book, not true. Your brain is switched on. My brain is switched on. You know, so I can't say, hey, this one police go invite you. Which police? The same police we are going to give them. I will take them to court for the court to order them to give me protection before I give them. I know this street. Look, Kwame Plus is not an ordinary person. Kwame Plus, or ye nipa kakrabo say, Kwame Plus is a spirit. Kwame Plus is a spirit. And me, if you do, I will come and tell, and I'll tell you more. But you have to protect me with anything less than that. Don't call me. Don't. Hey, that's why I come boy. Go to homicide. Ask them. I will bring people that we were trying to solve this problem. What did you do? Did you even help the IGP? Did you help the IGP? You were working against the IGP who was trying to solve. And when he fights with you, you go and find a way to remove him, and you take him to parliament to some committee, and you go and do this. You work. Or not so ye nipa or webusia. So sometimes he will just sit down and watch. Or yes, for he's a human being. He's a human being. Dampare is a human being. Or also a family. Ne ma ne yere ne nuanom. Or also a family. You worked against, when I brought you information, you worked, and this one go, and the Dampere Kojian, say, and you work against the guy. All this parliament thing you were doing, I was just watching. Now me rap wa Madam Parry. You can never do good in this country. Come and tell me, GJ for. And let me tell you something, hey, me a guy man fucking. Hey, GJ me no for. And no friend me catch and say, you voy. I'm gonna me job. Wo wabeje information so we bia your information no nkrofo no bi na machire your information bi na nkrofo feature diskedi system we nyina ye wo mu system we all of us are in this system. We know how it works. It is at our fingertips. We know how it operates. Before I will tell you that I'm going to tell you about Ahmed Suale, I know what I'm talking about. I know who informed, and it was not just me. The information is not just me. There are some people who were there. If police want that information, they knew. I gave them information, and they betrayed me. I gave them information. 10 minutes. Onipa na yase. Onu na wako setting krofo up me yeku nipa 5 no. 10 minutes he called me. Hey, Ghana police. And you want me to come and volunteer information again? A system that even Dampare can control. Me, I am ready. Nobody should add, anti-armed robbery commander. Meaning so that's anti-armed robbery commander. Then I'm about office, no. As I mean, I'm catcher. But catcher say, catcher, Jaru say, almost someone I'm using as informant. Catcher and say, me, I'm ready for him. Daddy, I told you. Say, woman and nam kumha, Eddie Bonnet. I'm wrong information. If that is, and you get, I told you, tell him. Yeah, me, I'm not afraid. I told you, tell him that if he does, of course, or no, Satan no afraid me. If he tries anything, we will lick him. I told you, me catch your officer. Boys name me Nino street fucking. Now saying afraid me, as a wasakra. It be like it change now, they do good boy things. I know all the boys for street. Everybody be my guy. Anywhere you enter, everybody be my guy. I dey hear everything. I know they snitch on boys, and I know I make anybody snitch on boys on the streets. People they hustle. You they snitch. I go tell police, look, this thing is not. Nipa win of the two no man almost say oye koye as kobo asafo betutu no mako shijama se sade no mo ye no ade chi no while sign for police and bi kuku fete ohene no the police in kutwa so many police for na hihye hu na mo kuku boys and send ye be ya when they go back to Asamankese they can take over the place me be catch wa mako free ni pana catch say Aplus abeka say when na we say 10 minutes na ni pana frame me back ade chi a wo se me san be more information abodan hwan na be say adwuma no hwan like a wine the war memu have like a wine. Sandy pana wo call friends on meka no de meka wo. Na say me to no bia beka jam say deputy minister be say I'm going to metro. Catch a deputy minister and say me send the boss or the meka $200,000. Or no deputy minister and the boss the meka 200 me pesa me kasa wo me pede de okrom ha wo. Me pesa me kasa wo me start say me kana sama. So onim na me hu me tena no kasa wo. Wo boss or the make $200,000 men kasa you so onim na me tina no kasa won e be bro no so won kran krum ha make I come volunteer another information. I said and I repeat, me I have information on Ahmed Suale. Ghana police, do you like it? Do you like that information? Give me this time round. I'm not going to give you information when you so that you go and tell people that Aplus came and said, hey, me who be we said that police service. Me who be that. I want to give you information. You have to give me protection. Information, protection. If you give me protection, that everybody can see that you are giving me protection, I will tell you that this is the information I have. And the protection is not that Ghana police said, I'm parrying because he's a good man. And yes, if your police name could say we made him. me wo me boys am no na metumi tuka me nkwa metim na me ko ba uba no edi mechi nya metu aka wo uba na edi sie ma etie ni nyina aka ya ton your ma fucking means bia e den ya me wo afi wi aseti me means I'm not scared of you means but I will never give information to Ghana police for free. Now I call my GJ information. We want a GJ for go for bishim. No more na mechiri. No more chale information na. They say no see it to me yes sir. Enti no my kakra na me am at risk na mo jiska we chiro abodam. Kwame plus minim bibia ko so the way I dey bibia minim bibia. Anyway, so listen, boys, you for be strong, you for be fearless, you for not make anybody intimidate you. I see, if anybody make it be police, make invite me. When I come, first of all, we will sign a paper. We will have protection arrangement. I'll give information I have. If not, I won't do it. And if you try to force me, I will take you to court and I will order the court. I will make the court order you to do it. Because you have made that mistake and I can't do it the second time. Before I start talking, I've planned what to do. Like I said, I'm planning what to do. And finally, you're about to ask him. We're in an election year. I beg you, focus on the election. Don't focus on Kwame Plus. You will not win. It has started from 2017 up to now. You will not win. Kwame Plus is a bad boy. You will not win. I like to fight. Like me I like to fight. Don't let us do this. It will affect your campaign. Me, I can make you do. I can make you do press conference every day. I have like me, the whole world. Oh, I am your best person to keep a secret. Ask everybody. Go and ask anybody that if you have secret, who will keep it for? It's me. I like everybody. Moya minuanom ya ye adwumada ya ye nyina ya boma ye adwumada what you say mempese ebedane ntokwa. Honestly, I'm committed to allowing you to go and do and as I'm talking to NPP people. If you try to do anything, I will use a bulldozer to kill an ant. I'm not afraid of anybody. I'm repeating, I have information on Ahmed Suale's murder. Whatever you want to do with what I have said, that is your problem. Me, I don't care. Have a nice day. Nyamisho bia.
Yo, it is for winning. And some of you A+ and 2 watchers say a year Ahmed Suale people come over some information. And answer nowadays, and some way you have a police for. I just say one money a year protection. It's said the 1 year the breathing this time they hold you down. Now A+ the and some people now and the 2. The guy was a GC so and our no say we don't subscribe. Necessary over subscribe. Not like it. Now if you watch a video no of for free. NPP accredited. Also betting actually what you have for years, so we are on our comment box. Interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.